Hello people, this is XAUUSD gold, and I'm gonna be going over the trades that I've taken. Alright, higher time frame. Let's take these away. Okay, monthly doesn't say too much. Flip from our low to our high. Broke above all these highs, came down to a trace. I need to push above and make these equal highs. These equal lows that were targeted during an NFP. Remember, a specific NFP was during this side. There was so much selling here, and nobody thought price was going to break out of the zone. But the banks and institutions, they pushed price so far down, and then here they took all their profits, only to enter buys again and push price back up. So let's look here. You could say we have a break of structure. Break of structure. So from our low to our high, and here is our golden zone. So let's have a look. What's happening in this zone? Not too much. We drew this wedge, but the top got broken out of, so ignore that. So right now we're actually currently sitting on a very fat zone. This big zone right here. I'm very keen to see what happens. Alright, let's go over the entries. Okay, so entries were on 15-minute and 1-minute time frames. Let's go over the first entry. So, massive fucking push down. FEG, that means an imbalance. That is a huge imbalance. Gold will eventually revisit the zone and target this imbalance here because that is unhealthy for market. That is super unhealthy. Alright, so as we have lower lows getting made, we had our moving averages shift in our favor, and then we started to actually reject our moving averages. And so we looked here, and we looked here. Here we have a faux example. We broke below the lows here. There's our breaker structure right there. We broke below. I need to flip from our high to our low and come back into the zone. Come back into our golden zone on the 30-minute time frame. So let's have a look. I did not enter on the 30-minute. Also, just note how price comes into our 200 exponential. Actually, let me have a look if it's on the right setting. Yes, it is. Price comes into touch our 200 exponential moving average. Just wicks it and goes back down again. So on the 1 hour, what do we have here? We have just a massive engulfing candle. The 30 minutes, I don't even know what to call that. Evening star, I don't know. But that is rejecting our 200 exponential moving average. That is seriously a sign that sellers are going to step the fuck in and shoot price right down. So we entered on the 50-minute though, but let's have a look at our entry. We entered because we had a bearish engulfing candle. This candle engulfed this candle, confirmed below it. We entered there, put our stops above the recent wick highs, and our targets, we targeted this previous low here because we thought, okay, we are making a series of low lows and lower highs. Therefore, we should be coming to target these lows down here. Only to retrace again and then push further down. But you see, once price reached our targets, I think it just hit our targets. We managed to take profit. I think we just hit our targets. Yes, only just. Perfect. But after then, you see, we didn't make another low. We didn't break this low, so therefore it wasn't a break structure. So therefore, prices, it's going to a weird stage now. How are we supposed to read it? And then afterwards, I was on a Zoom call actually in a trading group, and this guy called out this trade actually on the 1 minute time frame. Fuck, I'm gonna have to go all the way back now. Okay, let's go all the way back. Alright, so I'm pretty sure he had his limit set here because he was looking at this break of structure level here. He was looking at that zone. And when price started to break above there and started to retrace, he fibbed from his high to a low, and he had a limit set. I think it was on the 50%. He had a limit set and a stop loss well into the 79. And his limit activated, and I was thinking, oh damn, where can I execute trade? I might be a bit late. And so as price started to push up, I market executed it right over here because I thought, okay, as long as you put our stop loss below the zone here, we should be safe. And then we can put our our targets way above. We can go target the fucking sky. We can target these recent highs. So we didn't manage to, get that much. I think we got it with 1,000 pips, but you see, that wasn't too bad. Here, what kind of confluences did we have? Not much. We just had a break of structure and a retracement into our golden zone. We had what are these three candles called again? I'm trying to remember the pattern. But if you have one candle here and then like a reversal candle here, like a hanging man or evening star or what sorts, and then your third candlestick engulfs the weight of the previous two candlesticks, then you have a very good chance of pushing up. So that was a pretty easy entry. I had to watch it like the whole time though. It was a serious scalp. Ran for like 5 hours, but I exited somewhere in the middle of this fucking mush here. For actually about like 600 pips, 600, 700 pips. But this entry was the fucking creme de la creme, man. Jesus, 320 pips. That was fucking amazing. Alright, so that's the trade. Basically, break a structure, retrace into our golden fib zone. Regulate candles reject the 200 exponential moving average, which is a definite sign that price is going to shoot further down. It's such a strong support zone, our 200 exponential moving averages. Okay, so we targeted the previous lows. Targets were met, and then we were looking for buys because a couple people on the Zoom call said buys are viable, so we tested them out. Lovely, 3 candlesticks here. The third one engulfed the weight of the previous 2 candles, so we knew price was going to push up. We entered a bit later because we weren't at the charts at the current time. Managed to hop out with 600 to 700 pips, not bad. All these trades, the only confluence was just break of structure and retracement, as well as like bearish engulfing candle or a bullish engulfing candle, some kind of reversal candle that indicates the price is going to go the direction we want. Otherwise, not too bad. I think I'm gonna go start scalping gold a lot more. This was actually the first 1 minute trade I've ever taken. It's quite stressful. Scalping is quite stressful, but I think I'm gonna give it a go. I do like it.